classified B2 of 4-year-old, ridden by Anderson Ward, and he carries 113 minus 3, 110 pounds. And horse number 2, Don Juan, a bay gelding by Happy Boy out of Gilly Gilly, classified C1, a 6-year-old, ridden by Brett Callahan. He rides with 113 minus 7, 106 pounds. And on to horse number 3, Prince of the Glen. A bay colt by Glen Stall out of Houdini Princess, classified B2 of 4-year-old, ridden by Slade Callahan, the brother of Brett, 113 pounds. And following on is the Prince, Sanford Prince, horse number 4. A chestnut horse by Tapper Wood out of Sanford Lady, classified A1. This 5-year-old is ridden by Venice Richards, top weight of 128 pounds, and he is the favorite at the moment. And then on to our final starter, horse number 5, Stocious, a brown filly by Bitong out of Moonlight Serenade, classified C1, a 4-year-old, ridden by Pat Hasmans, 110 minus 3, 107 pounds. And before the feature race, the Barbados Fire General Insurance Stakes and Trophy, I have with me Mr. Martin King, our racehorse corner, reader now. So we go over to our commentators for the feature race, the Barbados Fire General Insurance Stakes and Trophy.
Light flashing. The on orders for Barbados Fire General Insurance Trophy. 7.8 furlongs, top class horses. Small field of 5, but a quality field. They're all final running. Sanford Prince lunge into the air, but as they come onto the main course, Coburn showing speed. Stocious coming from across to pick it up. It's Stocious in front. Coburn against the rail in second position. John One tucking in. Then comes Prince of the Glen, and the last one at this stage, motoring up in fact, is Sanford Prince. Martha's here for the first time, and it's Stocious and Coburn. They dispute it. They are lights upon Sanford Prince. Then comes John One, Prince of the Glen, tucked in and winning his chance. Around the park bell and the rest down the backstretch, and it's Coburn and Stocious disputing it. John One held in third. Sanford Prince being scrubbed along. Prince of the Glen going up on the inside. 4.5 furlongs to go, and it's still a battle royal up front. Stocious and Coburn disputing it. John One taking close to order, so to Sanford Prince. And then Prince of the Glen beginning to motor from the rear. They go up the hill, and it's Stocious showing in front now by half a line from Coburn. They're disputing. On the outside of Coburn, and going quite well. There's John One, he's going beautifully. And it's now Stocious who kicks for home. She slips the field by 3. On the outside, John One runs into second position. With a run on the rear also going well. It is Coburn coming back again to have his chance. But Stocious has gone clear by 4. I don't think they're going to get back to her. Sanford Prince trying desperately on the outside. Here comes on the inside, Prince of the Glen with a win as well. But they can't wait to do the home turn. Stocious and Coburn towards the outside. Sanford Prince swinging up like they can't have his chance. Inside the final form. 3 in a row. Coburn taking it. Here comes Sanford Prince. One on the inside. Sanford Prince and Coburn. Coburn and Sanford Prince. Lincoln straight for stand. Lincoln straight for stand. Coburn just puts his head in front of the finish. Sanford Prince is second of 5. The very tremendous win from here. Then there's Prince of the Glen. Then One and Stocious. And a woman there have a full round down for you. But what a race. Here comes the winner. Horse number 1, Coburn. Right at Cliff Plantation in St. John. By his owner, Mr. Bear Davis. Trained by Bill Marshall. And the winner of the Barbados Fire General Insurance Trophy. He's led in by trainer Bill Marshall and owner Bear Davis. The winning jockey is Anderson Ward. And if ever there's a good little jockey around, it is Anderson Ward. Nice pair of hands, nice seat, good judge of face. And he did it in time style today.